A humpback whale was spotted struggling near the water's edge, its movements slow and labored. As the rescue team approached, they noticed the cause of its distress. Thick plastic bracelets and fishing nets tangled tightly around its tail and fins. The whale's body bore deep scars, and its breathing was uneven. It was clear that without intervention, this magnificent creature wouldn't survive. The rescue team quickly sprang into action. Equipped with knives, ropes, and cutting tools, they carefully maneuvered their small boats closer to the stranded giant. The team worked methodically, cutting through the entangled debris while ensuring the whale remained calm. It was a race against time as icy winds whipped around them and the tide threatened to pull the whale further onto the jagged shore. After hours of delicate effort, the last of the debris was finally removed. The whale, sensing its newfound freedom, let out a powerful spout of air from its blowhole, as though expressing gratitude. It lingered in the shallows, regaining its strength, while the team watched in awe. Then, with a gentle flick of its tail, the whale swam back into the open ocean, joining a pod of other whales that had been waiting nearby. The rescue team stood silently, watching the whale disappear into the horizon. Despite the harsh conditions, their mission had succeeded. They had given the whale a second chance at life. It was a reminder of the resilience of nature and the critical importance of protecting marine life from the dangers of human waste and carelessness.